Vinit Machines, India's leading manufacturer of lathe machines since 1979, has always been at the forefront of product innovation, quality excellence, and customer service. We specialize in manufacturing highly advanced, all-geared, heavy-duty lathe machines, model VGH267, that are rigid, robust, expertly crafted, and designed to engineering standards for stable and superior performance. We ensure that the headstock gears and splines are fully induction hardened with teeth profile grinding. The unique specifications of our heavy-duty, all-geared lathe machines, model VGH267, make them a perfect choice for numerous applications in tool rooms, production areas, and various engineering operations. Whether it's turning, facing, boring, threading, drilling, tapping, chamfering, or various other engineering applications, Vinit's all-geared heavy-duty lathe machines assure powerful performance. Vinit Machines is more than just a machine manufacturing organization. We embody a legacy of over 4 decades, the trust of more than 5,000 customers, and a global presence in over 25 countries. Vinit Machines, made in India, made for the world.